Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to view the time with the seconds in this device. So in this device I already enabled the time with the seconds. Now you can see on the status bar, you can see the time with the seconds, you can see here. So let me show you how to enable this one. For this, simply go to settings, then scroll down, tap on notification on status bar, then tap on status bar. Here you can see the option time. Tap on this one. Then we need to select the option show hours, minute and second. If you select the option show hours and minute, now you can see only hours and minute. To view the time with the seconds, tap on the options time, then select the option show hours, minute and second. Okay, so simply in this way you can view the time with the seconds in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.